Okay, here is tonight's homework, 2.7. It's graphing absolute value functions. What we need to do is we need to describe the transformation in words, and then we're gonna put them on a graph. So for question number 1, describe the transformation?
Down 4.
We're gonna just go down 4, so 4 down. Now grab your graph paper. Tell me where the vertex is on this. Where's the vertex?
0, -4.
It's 0, -4. So for question number 1, you're gonna start, it normally would be at the origin, but we're gonna go down 4. This is a shift, whoops, that's down 3. Down 4 is right there. And now, is this gonna be, what's the slope on this one?
1, 1.
It's 1. So from here, we're gonna go up 1 and over 1, just like that. And just do enough to, if you can possibly hit the X and Y axis, that's great. So if you were asked what is the X and Y intercepts, you would be able to see it. The Y intercept is -4, and these would be your 2 X intercepts, 4 and -4. Easy? Okay, number 2. Tell me describe the transformation on number 2.
3 up 1.
3 right and 1 up. So from the origin, we're gonna go 3 right and 1 up. And from here, do what? Over 1, up 1, because there's no vertical stretch or compression, so we just simply over 1, up 1. Number 3, give me all of the transformations in words.
Left 1, down
1
4.
left, down 4,
Vertical compressed by 2.
vertical
stretch.
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 Vertical stretch by what?
2.
A factor of 2. So direct me, how do I graph this one, number 3?
Gonna start at -1, -4.
You're gonna start at 1, -1, comma, -4, right?
Yes.
-1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, where do I go from here?
Up 2 over 1.
Up 2 and over 1, up 2 and over 1, up 2 and over 1. And you gotta go the other way. What's my axis of symmetry?
-1.
X equals -1, X equals -1. Good? Okay. Number 4, tell me the transformations on number 4.
Down 3.
Number 4 is, where's the vertex?
0, -3.
Okay, so I always want to say if I'm going left or right first. Am I going left or right? No. I'm just going to go down 3. So down 3, and what's this 1/4?
Vertical
This
compress.
Vertical compression, good words. Vertical compression by 1/4. So if I go over 0 but down 3, I'm right here, right? From here, where should I go to graph my next points?
Up 1 over 4.
Up 1 over 4, good. What's happening here is it's getting wider. That's what a vertical compression is. Up 1, and I should probably do another point if I can. Up 1 and over 4. And the last one in that set, number 5, what are my words? 1 right, reflect over the x-axis, so it's gonna be a Christmas tree, right? And then a vertical stretch by 3. Don't say -3, it's a vertical stretch by 3. The negative is the negative here. That's how we deal with that negative. So we're gonna go right 1, and we're not gonna go up or down, right?
Right, this one's here.
So we're just gonna go right 1, it's gonna stay right there, and we're gonna be upside down, but we're gonna go where from here?
Down.
Down 3 and over 1. There's our y-intercept. and down 3 over 1 the other way. Good? Moving along, number 6. Tell me the vertex, and do you know what AOS stands for? Axis of symmetry. Now, if you were in English class, you would give complete sentences, right? When you write something. In math, a complete sentence is x equals 4. That's your axis of symmetry. What's your vertex?
4 is
4, 0. So for those of you that, for axis of symmetry, if you just write 4, it's not a complete sentence. What are the transformations? I just want in words.
Right 4.
Write 4. And that's it, right? How about number 7? Give me the vertex. 0 what? -2. Good. What's your axis of symmetry?
0.
Axis of symmetry is what? Incomplete sentence.
X equals 0.
X equals 0. Good. Now give me the transformations. Down 2. Anything else?
Vertical compressed by 3. Not
Rotate
x
over.
stretch.
Rotate over.
Stretch.
Reflect over the x-axis. Is there another one?
Vertical stretch by 3.
Vertical stretch by 3. Excellent. Number 8. What's my vertex?
-5
-5, 4. What's my axis of symmetry?
X equals
X equals -5. Give me all the transformations.
Rotate over, or reflect over x-axis.
Okay. How about, you want to say that? Reflect over the x-axis.
Left
And left what?
5.
5
Then up 4.
and up 4. Okay, number 9 is probably the most challenging one. Why is it challenging for you guys? Because the way it's written. Can you fix it? What would it look like if it were fixed?
Negative absolute x minus 1 minus 5 plus 5.
Good. Now can I tell the vertex easier? Yeah.
1 5.
1, 5, and what's my axis of symmetry?
X equals 1.
X equals 1. So what are my 3 transformations?
Rotate over, or reflect over.
Right 1, up 5, and reflect over the x-axis. Good? And the last one, quick. -7, -4, x equals -7. This is a left 7, down 4, and vertical stretch by what?
2.
Easy? Okay, flip. You might need your graph paper. How do you graph this one? Find a vertex. This is number 11.
4, 5.
Where is my vertex?
4, 5.
It is 4, 5. Please write that, 4, 5. And let's find 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this gonna look like a Christmas tree or a V?
V.
Christmas tree. You're gonna go over 1, down 1. And can you tell me what the 2 x and y intercepts are?
1 and 9 for the x.
-1 and 9. -1 and 9.
And negative 9.
And what's my y-intercept?
0, negative.
0, 1. Easy? Okay. Now 12, 13, and 14, we're not gonna do 15. Cross out 15, we're not doing that one. Number 12, we're not gonna even use a T-chart. We're just gonna graph it quickly. How do you graph number 12? We're graphing 12, 13, and 14, quick. Where do I begin? Where? 1, 3. 1,
Negative
3?
1, 3.
Where? 1, 3?
Negative 1,
Negative 1, 3. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. And where do I go from here? Upside down,
Yeah.
right?
Down and over.
Good. So you're catching on when they write it goofy like that. Right? This is number 12. Number 13, what would you do? Start at where?
Yeah.
Negative 1, negative 3, and go where?
Up.
Down, up, down. Nope, up,
Up
up,
one.
up.
It's not flipped. It's not.
Yep.
It's not flipped, because there's no negative. Good? How about number 14? Where would you go there? Sometimes these ones are confusing
0,
for you
2.
guys because it's missing something. Do you go up 2 or left 2 or right 2? You're
Up
just
2.
gonna go up 2, right? The vertex is 0, 2. That's your vertex. So you're gonna go up 2, and this is gonna be upside down, like that. Right?
Yeah.
Excellent. And 2 more.
I'm not doing pictures.
No, we're not gonna do it.
Bracket
29. Can you give me the absolute value equation for this, for each of these graphs? What do I first need to find?
the vertex.
And what is the vertex?
5, 1.
5, 1. Okay, so anyone think they know what this one is? I'm gonna do that.
Equals
Go ahead.
negative 2, or f of x equals negative 2 absolute value of x minus 5 absolute value plus 1.
Is he right?
Yeah.
Okay, and let's check it out. Yep, he's good. It's a 2 to 1, it's upside down, 5 right, so it's minus 5, and then up 1. Excellent. And the last one, number 30. My vertex is negative 2, comma, negative 6. So where do I put that?
So plus 2.
And what's this? This is a vertical compression, and it's a half, and it's right side up. Can you hit end record?
Bye.